In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a before and after slider on your Wix website, a great tool to showcase transformations. Whether you're in the beauty industry, construction, or any field that benefits from visual comparisons. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we'll begin by opening the app market within your Wix editor. When you're in your editor, look to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see various options for editing and enhancing your website. The Add Apps section is your gateway to countless features that can enrich your site. So go ahead and click on that Add Apps button to enter the vast realm of the Wix app market. Once you're in the app market, your next step is to locate the slider. Wix offers plenty of apps, which is fantastic, but it might seem a bit daunting at first. Fear not, the search feature is your best friend here. Type Before and After slider into the search bar. This specific slider will allow you to present your images in a unique and interactive way, perfect for engaging your audience. After finding the app, you are now ready to add it to your website. What you'll do is select an app from the search results that best fits your needs. Once you've made your choice, click on the Add to Site button. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will guide you through the process of integrating that app into your page. It's designed to be straightforward, so just take your time following each prompt. With the app now successfully added to your site, the fun part begins. Customization. Click on the new slider element that's appeared on your page. Here, you have the creative control to upload your before and after images. Perhaps these are images showcasing a renovation, a makeover, or any project illustrating transformation. It's important to choose images that are clear and highlight the changes effectively. Beyond simply uploading photos, you'll also find various options to tailor the slider's design to match the look and feel of your site. Spend some time experimenting with different colors and settings until you're happy with how everything looks. You might want to ensure the colors align with your brand's palette or stand out for emphasis, depending on your design preference. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're not only adding an engaging feature to your site, but also enhancing your visitors' experience by giving them an interactive way to engage with your content. Feel free to revisit any of these steps if you need to make adjustments or further customize your slider. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing.